There is a family in Brazil, the De Silva family, where six fingers isn't a disorder. It's just normal. For over 300 years, generation after generation has been born with a fully functional sixth finger. Some of them play piano with it. Some play soccer. Their neighbors have five fingers. Their doctors have five fingers. Most humans on Earth have five fingers. So if six fingers is supposedly dominant, why doesn't everyone have it? That's the question. And the answer will completely change the way you understand genetics. Hey, welcome back to Genetics Explained Simply. Today we are breaking down one of the most misunderstood concepts in all of genetics: the difference between dominant and recessive genes. This is something that gets taught wrong in almost every high school textbook, and once you see the real picture, you'll never confuse it again. Let's get into it. So let's go back to Brazil. The De Silva family has a condition called polydactyly. That's the scientific word for having extra fingers or toes. And in their family, the gene that causes polydactyly is what geneticists call dominant. Now, most people hear dominant and immediately think common, widespread, the majority. That makes sense logically, right? If something is dominant, it should be everywhere. But here's the thing: the De Silva family is rare. Most people walking past them on the street have five fingers. So how is the six-finger gene dominant if almost nobody has it? This is the misunderstanding we're here to fix today: what dominant actually means. Here's the real definition. Every gene in your body comes in two copies, one from your mom, one from your dad. Scientists call these copies alleles. Think of alleles like two instruction cards for the same trait. Your body reads both cards, but it doesn't always follow both. A dominant allele is like a loud voice. If it's in the room, the body listens to it. Just one copy is enough to produce the effect. A recessive allele is like a whisper. The body can only hear it when the loud voice is completely gone, meaning you need two recessive copies for it to show up. So in the De Silva family, the polydactyly allele, the six-finger gene, is dominant. That means even if someone in their family only inherited one copy of that allele, they still get six fingers. The loud voice is heard. Why six fingers is rare even though it's dominant? Here's where the confusion clears up. Most people in the world have two copies of the five-finger allele. Their instruction cards both say five fingers. There's no loud voice, just two whispers saying the same thing: five fingers, five fingers. The De Silva family happened to carry a mutation, a rare genetic change, that created the six-finger allele generations ago. That allele is dominant within the family, meaning one copy is enough to express it. But it's rare in the broader human population. It hasn't spread widely. Most people simply never inherited it. So dominance is about power, not about popularity. So let's bring it home. Dominant does not mean common. It means powerful. One copy is enough to speak. Recessive does not mean rare. It means quiet. It needs two copies to be heard. The De Silva family didn't get six fingers because polydactyly is normal. They got six fingers because one powerful allele was passed down through their lineage, and each time it showed up, it spoke loudly enough to be expressed. And somewhere in your DNA, there are probably whispers you don't even know about. Traits your grandparents carried. Traits that may never surface in you, but could appear in your children or grandchildren. Your genotype is your secret code. Your phenotype is just the version the world gets to see. Genetics isn't just science. It's the story hidden inside you. So, what whisper traits do you think run in your family? Blue eyes? Left handedness? A dimple that skips generations? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And if this video changed the way you think about dominant and recessive genes, hit subscribe because next week we're going even deeper. We're talking about what happens when genes don't follow the rules at all, incomplete dominance, codominance, and the cases that broke Mendel's original model. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Drop your questions below.